All right, y'all, let's get. Ugh. There we go. What's up, Lunker League? So out here on the Delta, probably the last trip of 2021. Wind is kicking up, it's crazy. We're trying to get to a little area where it's a little cut that I want to try out, but it seems like the bridge is low, the tide may be up, so we're just gonna start right out here. I'm in here with my man from Pandemic Fishing. What's going on, y'all? So wind's crazy, it's cold. We're gonna get it going. Let's go. Stump. Careful, I just seen a stump over in here. True, but about 3 feet in, so understand. Let's look out for that. Let's try this jump. Guys, I gotta be honest, I don't even know what this is. I just had it in my tackle box. I think a friend of mine, I thought a friend of mine gave it to me, but I lost that other tackle box to a fire, so I don't know how this survived unless I had it in something else. So we're just gonna see what it is, how it responds in the water. All I know is it's made by 6 Sense. Right here, so close. This looks like so close. I'm just gonna try this jig real quick. See what this gets me. Huh? You did? There you go. On the square? Man! There it is! See what I'm saying? Now it's worth it. You came out, it's worth it. Just like that, it's worth it. See? Yeah, my man got one already. Nice. Yeah, you're gonna have to go get that. Nice.
And I bake it, so we'll have to do I love you. Have a good day and catch some fish tomorrow.
Really? I know, I'm trying. Love you too, sis.
All right, we'll talk later.
All right.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye. Yeah, so it's rough right now. For me at least. Huh? What you using up there? Jerkbait. That's what I'm talking about. Gloves? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. No, that's... Oh, wait. Okay. All right. There we go. Jerky. And no skunkage. There we go. There we go, folks. Got him. It was hard to tell if he was weeds or not, to tell you the truth. But we got him. All right, y'all. There we go. Little guy. Let's get him back. All right. All right. So let's get back out here, y'all. All right, this might be another one, back to back. Yeah. There we go. There we go. A little bit better. Next cast. Oh, what's that? There you go. A little bit better than the last one. Let's get it going. Let's see what we got. Fish the moment. Oh, okay. So you watch him, he shows you how to get your waypoints on the computer and transfer them to your fish finder. And then he works with this pro named Randy Blaupunk, who actually helped design the Vision 110. Yeah, so he talks all about jerkbait fishing. It's his thing. Need to cast this out and get all this line out. I don't even know where I cast it. But dude's excellent with electronics. He'll show you how to read oh, is that me? It is. I think so. This one feels better. This one actually feels better. And some weeds. That's why it felt so good. I was like, oh, because he's a little short, compact guy, so he's not. There you go. We ain't about to double up out here. Oh, ooh, that jerkbait is the pattern. Let's go. All right, y'all. Getting these little ones, but we getting them. So let's go. There we go, right on there. Oh. Yeah, see, our colors look about the same.
I was about to put on a different one.
I started with a clear one, but then you snatched two right quick. I was like, oh, I need it dark because it was so clear. I thought maybe it was. Oh, yeah. This one seems like he's better. This one's better. Nah, we got her.
Yeah. Oh, they getting a lot better.
Yeah, okay. There we go. Yeah, that one's, this one is a little bit thicker. See?
Yeah. Nice one.
Let's see what we got on this one. This one, the best one so far today, is 14. Mouth closed, 14. All right, folks, this is the best one of the day so far. All right, let's get them back in. All right, folks, so the rain's starting to come down. The way I got my GoPro set up, I got a hole in my battery door. Normally this thing is water resistant, but I bought a different door so I could hook up a pack to it just to give you guys more fishing time, but that means it is no longer water resistant. So depending on how this water's going, I may have to take it off. So I'll keep it on as long as possible. If not, you might see me fade to the ending. All right, let's do it.
Give me a second. I will get out of here.
Felt like one for sure. There we go. I knew I felt him over there. Ooh, ooh, this one got him kind of deep too. There we go. Little one. Oh, we getting them. Let's go. Huh? All right, y'all. Let's get. Ugh. There we go. All right, not big, but nicely colored. Really nice colors on this fish. Make sure we got a. Well, he got a mouthful of it too. All right. There we go, yo. Little ones, but that was back-to-back casts. Just go right here. Oh. Yeah. That one's better. Alright, guy. No flopping around. I'm trying to help you out. Alright, y'all. Just getting some little jokers in, some work. Alright. Oh. Let me get more here. Oh, there we go. What's that? Alright, y'all. Here we go. Ripping lips. Go back on my camera and start feeling this sprinkle again. Huh? We can slow down right now. Stop. Oh, there we go. Oh, he's a nicer one too. Nope. And you're a thick guy too. Yeah, this is a good one here. Yeah, let's take a look. If I can get him to close the lip. Yeah, good one. He's right at 16. Just under 16. There we go. There we go. That's a good one right there. Good. Might as well get a weight. Zeros. Let's get them on here.
Hello.
Okay, so he's 247. Alright folks, it's the best one yet. It's starting to rain. So I'm glad I could get this before I got everything wet. Let's go ahead and get him back. Alright. What's up, Lunker League? So doing a little wrap up. Had the trolling motor go out. It's just been such a windy day. The battery went dead. trying to keep us in place. Gonna do an off the water wrap up for you guys because we're in between rain. I don't want it to start raining on me right now. Had a decent day though. Could have had a little bit more size. You see at the end I did catch a nice one. I'll go over my gear and everything else a little bit later once we get off the water. All right, let's do it. What is up, Lunker League? I had a great time out on the Delta with pandemic fishing. Got on a pattern. As you can see in the beginning, I was cycling through baits. I couldn't get anything to really work. We had a lot of wind and rain out there, so of course that always affects the conditions. Started off with a spinnerbait, really couldn't get that to work. Went with the lipless. I tried a chatterbait out there. I tried to slow it down with the jig. I also tried, of course, the drop shot, which is normally a standard catcher, but the way that everything was set up out there, we had a lot of grass with an open area on top of that grass. And so baits were either getting buried or, as cold as it was, they were moving by too fast. And that's really what made the jerkbait stand out. I have to give it up to Pandemic Fishing for finding that pattern. He hit a couple fish on that. I switched over and it was go from there. So let me just show you my setup and what I use to throw my jerkbait. Not smooth at all, right? This is my main crank rod for my square bills and jerkbaits, mainly because it's a shorter rod. I tend to use a longer rod for my lipless crankbaits if I can bring out more than one. But if not, this is my standard go-to cranking setup here. This is a 7-foot medium heavy, and if you're into the numbers, this is the FR 705 CB. So this is their crankbait rod, and this is the Dobbins Fury series. With that, I have it paired with a SLX. This is the SLX. I have a 8 1-to-1. Reason I like that, if I ever get in a situation where I need to burn it, I can do that. And more often than not, I don't know the situation on the back of a boat where the tide is or what people are doing. Some people are really moving. They want to rip and run, and then you have the tide. So you may get caught in a situation to where I had a lower 6 3-to-1, I believe. 6 3-to-1, and that is my SLX DC, as a matter of fact. So this one, this is a 6.3, and I couldn't keep up. I couldn't keep up, depending on how hard the tide was rushing in or out. And if that boat's moving, I could not, no matter how hard I was winding it, I just couldn't keep up sometimes, depending on the current and the way that it was flowing. So went with the 8 1-to-1. That's helped me quite a bit because you can always slow it down. In the case of a jerkbait, you're able to take in that line quicker. So this is my setup. Of course, I was going with a what is this, the Megabass Vision 110. So great jerkbait. For me, hands down, it's caught more fish out there on the Delta for me than any other jerkbait. I've caught more fish on it than any other jerkbait that I've used. Just has that action that fish like. I'm not able to explain that to you. But great setup for me. I believe this is 12 pound. 12 pound, and I don't know whether that is, more than likely it's Seaguar Red Label. I don't think that it's P-Line. I know a lot of guys around here use P-Line. They're sponsored by P-Line. I am not. So therefore, I go with the least expensive line that I can. That's the best way to put it. This line has done me incredibly well, and you can get it off Amazon. If you check Amazon, you can get fluorocarbon, sometimes $10, mainly around $12 or so dollars, at least enough to fill up your spool and then some. So this is the overall setup here that I use to catch all my fish this time out. Again, I had a great time. I was glad to get on some fish. Finally got into some that had a little bit of size. My larger fish, mainly there at the end. Good for winter, I guess. If I was running a tournament, I'd probably need to kick it up a notch on a few of them. If I was in a team tournament, we might have did okay. But if you're here this long, I definitely appreciate you. Sorry about the wind factor. I wanted you to know and feel the conditions that we were out there in. A lot of wind, a lot of rain. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Also share this video. I'd like to get your feedback in the comments. And as always, my Lunker League, stay tuned for the next one.